Here is a step-by-step tutorial how to recover your password on tool44.com. 1. Open tool44.com in your web browser. You will be directed to the landing page of the tool44.com website. 2. On the top right corner of the page, you will find the login button on the navigation bar. Click on the login button to proceed. 3. A login box will appear on the screen. Above the login button, you will see an option labeled Forget Password. Click on the Forget Password option. This will initiate the password recovery process. 4. On the password recovery email address associated with your tool44.com account. Make sure to provide the email address that you used during the account registration process. 5. After entering your account email, click on the Reset Password button. This will trigger the system to send a password reset email to the provided email address. 6. To proceed with the password reset, you need to log into the email account that you used for registration. Check your inbox for the password reset email from tool44.com. 7. Open the email and look for the OTP, one-time password, provided in the email. It is usually a numerical code or a combination of letters and numbers. 8. Return to the tool44.com password recovery page and enter the OTP in the designated box. This step ensures that you have access to the email associated with your tool44.com account. 9. Click on the Verify button to confirm the OTP. The system will validate the OTP and verify your email address. 10. After successfully verifying your email, you can proceed to enter a new password. Enter your desired new password in the designated field and confirm it by retyping the same password in the confirmation field. 11. Once you have entered your new password and confirmed it, click on the Reset Password button. This will update your password on the tool44.com platform. 12. A notification will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. You can now proceed to log in with your new password. You may choose to click on Continue to directly log in or navigate back to the login page and enter your credentials. By following these, you should be able to recover your password on tool44.com and set a new password for your account.